So that brings us to the end of this introductory module on Sass. In this module, we saw some examples of why we might want to use Sass, such as the benefit of reduced maintenance cost or reduced duplication. We got a high-level overview of how Sass essentially turns .scss Sass files into plain CSS files. We learned about some of the fundamental Sass features, such as variables that allow us to define something once and then reuse it throughout our style sheets, and mixins that allow us to define a set of CSS properties and values and then include that from other styles, and also how we can create parameterized mixins. We got an overview of Sass in Visual Studio and how we can use the Web Workbench extension to actually compile our Sass, and how we can use Sass in simple HTML files, ASP.NET Web Forms, or ASP.NET MVC. We then saw how we can actually get started in Visual Studio, so we looked at creating a new project and installing Web Workbench, creating a Sass file that compiles to a CSS file, and then linking to that from a simple HTML page, and then how we can make changes to our Sass file that get recompiled to CSS, and how we can see those changes in the browser. Join me in the next module when we'll see some of these Sass fundamental features in action.